Hello and welcome to my home kitchen. I'm Dionysis and today I will show you just a simple trick that you can do so you have in your bread the sesame seed to stick properly. So we have the bread dough here and we'll make ourselves a nice loaf. I will take some flour and dust it so it doesn't stick, and we'll roll it a little bit. We will roll it and make it into a nice loaf. We shake the excess flour and we will put it here. What will happen if you just put the sesame seeds or any other seeds on top of it like that? They will not stick. So what's the way? You take a brush and you put some water, so it will act a bit like a glue. Don't put too much water, just some water. You can also do it with egg wash, although I prefer it to do it the old way with just some water. So what I will add is I will add some sesame seeds. Look how nicely they stick. And I will put it in the oven for cooking. Look how nice and lovely the sesame stuck onto the loaf. Doesn't come out. Look at that, sticking everywhere. So if you use my little tip, brush some water, sprinkle the sesame, and you are okay for your loaf of bread. That's a tip how you can stick your sesame or your other tips onto your loaf. See you in the next video.